Welcome back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, the phone numbers are in the description box. Please go get those numbers and call those numbers every day. Let your voices be heard and don't be nice to them. I still feel good about getting a $2,000 stimulus check. With everything that's going on the past couple of days, you may wonder why. I wonder why. But I do feel good that we will get it. I guess I'm just optimistic. They are moving forward with a $4,000 tax credit for people taking a vacation. This is just another way to give money to the rich people. People like you and I, we don't have money laying around to take a vacation on. We don't have that kind of money to afford us that luxury. So therefore, I won't be taking a vacation. I don't know about you. Only the rich people can do that. So let's help the rich people some more. And we know the Feds has just bailed out the investors and the big corporations again with over $500 billion worth of money, our money, that they won't tell us where it's going. I said yesterday this bailout for businesses and investors was full of corruption, and now I see other people are starting to say the same thing. If it's all on the up and up, why are they trying to keep the names of these corporations secret? Why don't they want us to know? In the bill, it states that these names will be public, but now they're going back on that, and they will not make them public. So they've got something to hide there. So if you can give rich people a $4,000 tax cut for vacations and bail out the investors in big corporations, and a select group of businesses at that, it's not all businesses that gets it, with a $500 billion bailout of our money, then why the hell do we have to wait for our little bit of money that you may give us? Oh, you know that extra $1 trillion that Trump wanted to add to the bill? He wanted to make it a $2 trillion bill. Well, now that whole extra $1 trillion will be going for infrastructure. Stuff like building a better 5G broadband. Stuff like roads and bridges. Now those things are important. But isn't the American people that's struggling more important? I guess not. Y'all, if we don't get a stimulus check, if we don't get the help we need, we're good, hard-working people. You see what happened with Mr. Floyd. You see what's happening with this other guy. I'm sorry, I don't mean no disrespect, but I can't remember his name. Brooks. You see what's happening with there. Well, if we don't get more stimulus, that's just a drop in the bucket. What's going to happen when good people has had enough? Mark my word, we're headed that direction. I don't think they want to see that. Y'all, I'm thinking about making the second video every day. It's just a rant video. Let me know if you think that's a good idea, if you would like to see that, because right now I'm just making the one video every morning of the stimulus check updates, but I'm thinking about doing the second one. Let me know what you think. The phone number's in the description. Y'all, please go get them. Blow those phone numbers up. Let your voices be heard. Drive them crazy. Y'all, be sure and subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot if you do that. And please come back every day for my videos. y'all, we will get through this. It just looks like now it's going to take a little longer, but we will get through it one way or the other. We always have. That's what makes us Americans. We have to drain the swamp of all the scum. Y'all be sure and check out my other video that's coming later today. I love you all. Ciao.